Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Dodge Journey. Top features include front fog lights, front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, front and rear air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Third row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.